Hi, I am Nicolas, the developer of Getting.io website on the new Chrome extension for Gmail. In this video, I will explain how we use restrict scopes in our application and why we need them. Let's get started.
The first things we need to do is to install our Chrome extension. To do that, we need to go on Chrome Stores, on Add to Chrome, to click on this button on Add our Chrome extension. Okay. In these steps, I will show you how to find email with GetEmail extension. Let's go on our Chrome extension and let's try to find a new website developer to update our website. Let's imagine we want to contact these two people. Okay, and by clicking on compose email to all, I will add the email to our two fields.
Now we need to compose an email. I click on composing an email to all. I will type looking for a developer. Great. Let's copy an email with placeholder like full name. This placeholder will be replaced after.
Now we need to send email one by one and to replace placeholders. To do that, we need to ask permission. We need to ask Gmail send permission to send an email. We need to ask Gmail read permission to be able to read an email. We need to ask for Gmail modify permission to be able to add labels to each email we send. And we need to ask for Google Drive and Google Spreadsheet permission to be able to update the status of each email in Google Spreadsheets. Let me show you this right now. A new button has been added in the Gmail interface. To send an email through Gmail API with GetEmail, we need to click on this button. Let's click it. A new pop-up is displayed. I will use English. Okay. So I will use my account to connect to GetEmail. As we can see, we are asking to have access to Google Drive, to be able to edit, create, and delete the Google Spreadsheet, and to read and compose and to send email. Let's allow that. Okay. Now we are sending email with Gmail API. Okay. Boom. It's done. Let's go to the email send and let's check. We need to wait. Let me refresh it. Okay. On what we can see, we have a three new email has been sent with new tag. Okay. One email has been not read. One email has been sent on read. On the two other email has been sent on read. Okay. We can review the status of each email in a new Google spreadsheet just created. To do that, let's go to Google Spreadsheet. Let's access to our spreadsheet. Let's go to this Google Spreadsheet we just created. Okay. In the Zoom tab, we can see the status of each email. One has been bounced, one has been opened, and one was a response. The last things I want to explain is why we need to access to Google Drive. As you can see, we have a little icon just here. Let's click on it. If I click here, what I will do is connect to Google Spreadsheet. Okay, let's authorize it. Let's do it in English in order to have better understanding. Allow. And now what we are is reading the list of the spreadsheet we have. Let's import this spreadsheet in the tools field. So here we just import an email was saved in the spreadsheet. And now we are back again to create a new campaign and use our extension as it was before. That is the end of this demo. Thank you for watching. In this part, I will show you. In this video, I will show you how we use getemail.io to find people. So let's imagine I'm looking for new website developers to update my website. Let's imagine I want to contact Michael because I know them and Pauline. Okay, the first things I could do is export all my links, in this case 2 people, in Google Spreadsheet. To do that, I will click on this button and I will have the Google permission who will ask if I log getemail.io to access to Google Drive, Google Spreadsheet, on Read, Compose, and send email account. I will click on Allow. Let's notice we don't have URL here because we are asking this authorization from Chrome extension. So I will allow that. And by doing that, I will export my new list in Google Spreadsheet. Now, if I go to my Google Spreadsheet account, I can find a new list to create right now. Let's click on it. And what I can see is I have the 2 new prospects I just found. Let's now send them an email. To do that, we need to click on Compose. And now we have a green icon. I need to click on this green icon. And let's import email from this list. Let's do that. I click on import, and now I can start clicking on email, looking for new developers. Hi. And now we can use the placeholder system on the place we are taking this placeholder from the spreadsheet. So here we have full name in the headers, and we can get the full name from the, we can replace the full name when we send email. Hi, we are looking for a new developers. Are you available? Okay. And now we will click on JSON button to replace placeholder with on send email with Gmail API. Let's do that.